Hey everyone! Welcome to All AI Tools. If you're a teacher, a student, or just someone looking to make your learning process a bit easier, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top 3 AI tools that can convert your text into homework assignments. These tools are perfect for generating quizzes, tests, and assignments quickly and efficiently. So, let's get started. First up on our list is Tool #1, Quizlet, host, voiceover. Quizlet is a fantastic tool that's widely used by educators and students alike. It allows you to create study sets, flashcards, and even generate quizzes from your text. Simply input your text and Quizlet will help you turn it into interactive study materials. It's super user-friendly and offers a range of customization options to fit your needs. Next we have Tool #2, Kahoot, host, voiceover. Kahoot is another great tool that's perfect for making learning fun. With Kahoot, you can create engaging quizzes and games based on your text. It's an excellent way to make homework interactive and enjoyable for students. Plus, you can share your Kahoots with others, making it a versatile tool for any classroom setting. And finally, tool number 3, ProProfs, host, voiceover. ProProfs is a comprehensive platform that offers a variety of tools for educators. From quizzes to assignments, ProProfs makes it easy to convert your text into homework. It also provides detailed analytics to track student performance, which can be incredibly helpful for teachers. The interface is intuitive, making it a breeze to use even if you're not super tech-savvy. So there you have it, our top 3 AI tools to convert your text into homework. Whether you're looking to create quizzes, flashcards, or interactive games, these tools have got you covered. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more educational tips and tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.